In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Acrobat Pro in this beginner's tutorial. Adobe Acrobat Pro is a powerful tool, and understanding its basics can help you manage PDFs with ease and efficiency. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to open up Adobe Acrobat Pro and launch the document you'd like to work with. This is your first step in getting familiar with how everything operates within the software. Once your document is open, you're ready to explore the various editing tools available to you. Up at the top of the screen in the global toolbar, you'll find the Edit option. Clicking on Edit allows you to directly interact with the text and images within your document. You can change text simply by clicking on it and typing, or you can move images around as needed. This feature is particularly helpful when you need to make quick corrections or adjustments. Now let's look at how you can add comments to your document. In the comment toolbar, you'll see the Comment button. Click on this and then place your comment on the document wherever additional information or clarity would be useful. After typing your message, don't forget to click Post to ensure your comment is added. This functionality is often used for collaboration, allowing multiple users to provide feedback or suggestions directly on the PDF. Next, if you need to manage pages within your document, simply look to the right pane and find the Page Thumbnails icon. Clicking this will reveal a list of all the pages in your document, giving you the flexibility to drag and reorder pages as you see fit. If further editing is required, right-click on a page to find options to delete or rotate pages. This is a fantastic feature for organizing content exactly how you want it. Moving on, let's convert your file into other formats. Find the Convert option in the global toolbar. With this tool, you can export your PDF to formats like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, or even various image formats. Choosing the right format depends on your needs. For instance, Word might be ideal if you need extensive editing and formatting, while images might be better for simple sharing. Finally, after all your hard work, it's crucial to save your changes. Go to the menu located at the upper left corner and choose either Save or Save As. This step ensures all your edits and comments are intact for future reference or distribution. In conclusion, these basic steps will help you get started with Adobe Acrobat Pro, offering a seamless experience as you create, edit, and manage PDFs. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful in mastering the essentials of Adobe Acrobat Pro.